Turning to weather now with meteorologist Lauren Casey. Lauren, we're talking about the track of now tropical storm Barry, yes?
Yeah, our first landfalling hurricane of the season in the U.S. It is Barry. Did make landfall along the Louisiana coast at around 1 p.m. Central Time this afternoon. Currently, Barry is a strong tropical storm with winds at about 65 miles per hour. But the paramount threat with Barry is going to be water in the form of storm surge, also prolonged heavy rainfall that will yield potentially flash flooding and river flooding as well. Barry is moving extremely slowly to the north-northwest at around 7 miles per hour, and that will only exacerbate that flooding threat for parts of the south and along the Mississippi Valley. As we see over the next several days, Barry will continue to slowly move off to the north. We could potentially be dealing with some of Barry's moisture as we head into Wednesday or Thursday. Storm Scan 3 showing us the center of Barry right now positioned along the Louisiana coastline, and even over the last several hours, hardly any forward motion. And you do see a heavy rainfall continuing to build in. So the rainfall is going to be heavy in intensity. Then also the rain is training or moving over the same areas again and again. So there's New Orleans, there's Baton Rouge. It's going to continue to rain over the next several days as Barry slowly moves its way north. So in these areas and portions of eastern Louisiana and western Mississippi could potentially see over 10 inches of rainfall in just the next several days. So again, wrapping Barry up, the main threat is going to be water. For us, taking a live look at Center City, Philadelphia, no problems here. A ton of sunshine today. Nice breeze. People out in Logan Square taking a dip in the fountain. Look at the trees blowing along. A nice summer day today. Temperatures are seasonably hot. We're at 87 degrees in Philadelphia, 85 in Allentown, 79 in Mount Pocono. Down the shore, temperatures are toasty on the sand at 85 degrees in Ocean City. Check out that ocean temperature, now up to 75 degrees. Nice to take a dip. Dew points, they're also looking good as well. They're in the low 60s, so a little bit of humidity in the atmosphere, but certainly not oppressive. We're kind of on this borderline, a bit muggy, humid category. As we head throughout the day tomorrow, we'll be in the bit muggy category, albeit it will be a little bit hotter temperature-wise. And as we head into Monday, down into the pleasant category on our comfort index as we get a big break from the oppressive humidity. And overnight tonight, clear and quiet, falling back to 73 degrees. For our day tomorrow, we will be a little bit hotter, but still not too humid. High temperature up to 92 degrees, but we won't see a huge impact on the feels like temperature, and we'll have another nice breeze out of the northwest at around 10 to 15 miles per hour. Down the shore tomorrow, another hot one on the sand. A lot of sunshine. Watch out for that very high UV index. Rip current risk, though, will be low, so feel free to take a dip in that 75-degree water. Forecast high temperatures across the area tomorrow are going to be a bit warmer, up to near 90 in Allentown. We'll top off at 91 in Wilmington, 91 in AC, and a high temperature tomorrow at 91 in Dover. So we'll get a break from the oppressive humidity and the storm activity as we head into the next couple of days, but then they return on Tuesday. The humidity creeps up, some hit or miss afternoon thunderstorms, and then a pretty good bet of downpours and thunderstorms late day Wednesday, Thursday, and potentially Friday as well. And it's going to get very humid, especially as we head into mid and the latter portion of next week.
Thunderstorms, what a surprise.
I know, right?
Shocking. Summer.
Lauren, thank you so much.